So yeah, I saved the old parts washer juice there, the nasty, nasty crap, and just used it to wash this thing off. Gave her a bath. Yeah, I almost forgot about this, where they freaking supported the harness with one of those stupid plastic things that's like that. But it vibrated the crap through the freaking harness and chafed the freaking wiring all to hell, so I gotta fix that. Nice. Fixed that one and tore into the other side where it was chafed up, and luckily that's all we got. Not bad, man, not bad. Yup! The filter's in it. I'm all set to put the pan on it and stuff. Put a new gasket on it, cleaned out the freaking magnet and everything, so it's all ready to go back in. Freaking cleaned up good, man. It's a nice. So all I gotta do is throw the seal up in there, and fucking she's ready to go, man. I zipped the freaking with the wire wheel quick, and I'm just gonna hit it with a little pour 15. I'll get underneath when I get underneath later, but it ain't bad. It's just shit came right off, so should be alright. Yeah, man, all done. Cleaned up and painted final, and I did that spindle. It just needs one more coat and then it's done. Bye. No, yeah, it came out alright, man. It came out good. Yep, it's a nice. I had the rotor screw in there, and it was like hand tight, and I did something. I knocked into the rotor and busted the darn thing right off, and it wouldn't even come out by hand, but looked like some drunkard welded this screw on here. Look at that thing. Wow. I got her though, and that's all it counts. I was kind of worried. I went a little off to the side. It wasn't the greatest weld job. Oh my god, I barely caught it. That's alright, that'll dress off with a file. But that is just horrible. I was feeling lucky, so I went for the other side. Got that little bastard. Sweet. Yeah. Couldn't find a damn flux, so I couldn't get a freaking nice braze job on it. I just heated that bad boy up, and look at that, man. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. Look at that, man. Perfect 90. Yeah, okay. Hell yeah, man. All I gotta do is cut that part of the line out, and I got plenty for the whole thing, so it's a good, yeah? Yeah, we got it now, man. It's all custom. I ain't got it tightened down yet, but it's all custom. Whee! And up to the reservoir. So, yeah, man, it's all custom. Customized. Custom. It's ready to go back in, because I can do that pressure line when the engine's in there, and the sway bar bushings, I can do that too. It ain't a big deal. But yeah, man, she's ready to go back in. I figured it's front end Friday, because I can't get the cherry picker yet, so I changed the ball joint over here, and it's brand new like the other one I changed like 8 years ago. So yeah, it'll be alright, man. Tie rod ends and crap coming, but yeah, I'm waiting on a freaking cherry picker, so I might as well do something.